Welcome back, everyone. Today we're back once again at the Camp Nou construction site with a fresh and detailed look at how the stadium continues to take shape. Work is moving forward across multiple key areas, with visible progress in structure, facade, and interior sections. We'll start today's update from the lateral side and then make our way around the stadium to cover all the latest developments. In the lateral area, previously installed supports remain in place with no major visible changes at ground level. Most pillars are structurally complete, although many still require a small upper section to be concreted. Scaffolding remains around these pillars, preparing them for the final formwork and concrete phase. Material storage is visible throughout the zone, indicating continued preparation for upcoming stages. Moving up to the upper levels, scaffolding continues to surround the pillars. The remaining concrete sections at the top are minimal, showing that this phase is nearing completion. Access openings leading to the seating areas are now clearly formed, confirming progress in circulation design. Protective safety nets behind prefabricated stands are gradually being removed, signaling that these seating sections are now secure and finalized. Prefabricated seating elements are increasingly being delivered and installed. While the south goal and lateral zones remain the most advanced, recent deliveries have also focused on the tribune area. This indicates a balanced progression across multiple stadium sectors, rather than concentrating on one area alone. Exterior facade, llamas installation. One of the most visually impactful updates is the continued installation of the exterior llamas. This area shows significant daily progress. Where previously only a few were installed, now entire vertical sections are being covered. Elevating platforms and cranes are actively positioning new panels, while anchor points and brackets are being fine-tuned to ensure alignment and stability. The parking ramp continues to advance steadily. Reinforcement steel has significantly increased since the last update, covering most of the exposed plastic base layer. Workers are actively completing the reinforcement grid, suggesting concrete pouring could begin soon, weather permitting. Some sidewall formwork remains pending, but appears close to execution. In the south goal area, new anchor elements are now installed along the main beams. These will support vertical facade structures in later phases. Several platforms are active here, handling welding and alignment tasks. While facade supports are not yet fully mounted, all preparation points are now clearly in place. The north goal, usually quieter, shows increased activity today. Multiple platforms, crane operations, and interior works are visible. Pillars in the corner section are being finalized with formwork, while diagonal support connection points are already installed, preparing for the next structural phase. The tribune zone continues to receive prefabricated seating via trailers. Escalators installed last week remain in place, marking a major step toward public accessibility. Work continues around future elevator shafts, indicating parallel progress in vertical circulation infrastructure. Overall, today's update confirms steady, methodical progress across the stadium. With no match interruptions this week, work is advancing at full pace. Every zone shows clear preparation for upcoming milestones, bringing Camp Nou closer to its final form. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future progress.